Getting started with Memrise's Progress Dashboard.
Memrise's Progress Dashboard is your main tool for tracking language learning achievements. Access it by opening the Memrise app and selecting your current course. The dashboard gives you an overview of your learning history, helping you visualize progress, maintain motivation, and identify what you've mastered so far.
Understanding daily and weekly activity.
A dashboard shows your daily and weekly activity through visual charts. These include the number of words learned, how many days in a row you've studied, and time spent on lessons. Consistent activity streaks are highlighted, encouraging you to maintain regular learning habits and celebrate your dedication.
Analyzing strengths and weaknesses.
Memrise rates your vocabulary with terms like learned and needs review. The dashboard breaks down word lists by strength, so you can quickly spot which areas require more practice. Use this information to focus your review sessions and target words or phrases you find challenging.
Setting and reaching learning goals.
Use the Progress Dashboard to track progress toward custom goals you set within the app. Whether it's mastering a set number of words per week or completing all review sessions, the dashboard visually marks your achievements, providing encouragement and a clear sense of accomplishment.
Tips for continuous improvement.
Check the dashboard regularly to stay informed about your performance. Use insights from your strengths and weaknesses to adjust your study routine. Set small, achievable milestones and celebrate successes. These habits will keep you motivated as you advance in your language journey with Memrise.